Hello everyone, my name is Jitin Reddy and today I'll be explaining the applications of each data type to business data. Let's know about data type. A data type is classification that dictates what a variable or object can hold in computer programming. Data types are an important factor in all computer programming languages that include C++, JavaScript and Visual Basic. Understanding data types ensures that data is collected in the preferred format and the value of each property is as expected. A good understanding of data types is required to properly define event properties and entity properties. A well-defined tracking plan must possess the data type of every property to ensure the data accuracy and prevent data loss. When programmers create computer applications, both desktop and web-based, the data types must be referenced and used correctly to ensure correct result and an error-free program. Common data types. It represents a value that can only be true or false. A true Boolean value might indicate that the object is valid. In computer programming, Boolean values are used to create conditions and control how the program behaves and when certain things happen. Boolean values have two possible states, true and false represented by 1 and zeros. What is array? An array is also known as list is a data type. It's a data type that stores a number of elements in specific order, typically all of the same type. Since an array stores multiple elements or values, the structure of data stored by an array is referred as an array data structure. Each element of an array can be retrieved using integer index such as 0, 1, 2 and so on, and the total number of elements in an array represents the length of an array. Example of an array. An array variable genre can store one or more of the elements pop, soul, music, and rock. For example, an array phase 10 will have 10 elements with index starting from 0 to 9 and the memory allocated contiguously will be 20 bytes. What is string? A string is a data type used in programming such as an integer and floating point unit, but it is used to represent text rather than numbers. It is comprised of all sets of characters that can contain spaces and numbers as well. For example, the word mango and phrase she ate mango are both strings. What is floating point? A float is a data type composed of numbers that is not an integer because it includes a fraction represented in decimal format. For example, 707.03, 0.7, 1.234 and so on. We must also note that the number is often used as a data type that includes both integer and float types. What is character? Data types character and character varying are collectively referred as a character string types, and the values of character string types are known as character strings. It is used to store a single letter, digit, punctuation marks, symbols, or blank spaces. Fixed length strings are write extended with spaces on output. Variable length strings are not extended.